So to export all of this as a video, we first need to record the timings. So the exact timings of each of these animations and also the transition between the slides. So technically there are two options to do this, but honestly only one of them is a good one. It's a realistic one. So first of all, I'll just tell you so you know, but basically you can set the transitions here, advanced slide after a certain number of seconds, or animations, you can also time them in the animation pane and setting them one after another. But obviously this is absolutely crazy and it doesn't work in practice, especially when you have big complex videos, because what we did here is rather simple. It's just for the demonstration. So the actual way to do that is to record these animations by yourself by playing them. So go here on slideshow and first of all unclick this, unclick play narrations, and then unclick show media controls. And here you have two options, rehearse timings and record slideshow. So what we need to do is rehearse timings. So click here and now you see the recording started. You can see the seconds going here. So this is basically the transition and animation timings recording themselves. And now I will start clicking on the arrow keys of my keyboard on the right. So I'm advancing the animations and the slides, right? So I'm doing this, and every step here is recorded precisely as I press the keyboard key. That's it. So now I recorded this whole PowerPoint presentation, and the total time for your slideshow was 41 seconds. Do you want to save the new slide timings? Yes. Now everything here is registered, and you can actually see it. For example, when you click on transitions, it's written after 32 seconds, after 3 seconds. So, and the animations, everything has been recorded. But don't worry, it's actually extremely easy to undo it and redo it if you make mistakes. So this is not a problem. So then what you do, well, you save, obviously. I save all the time. And then you go on File, Export, Create a Video. Here, make sure that it's HD. In the previous versions of PowerPoint, it could only go up to this resolution here. And from 2017, I think you can do this one. And yeah, leave this use recorded timings and narrations. That's exactly what you did. And then click on create video. As simple as that. So let us name it just for the test. Save. And as you can see here, this is the progress bar for the video. So now I will accelerate my screencast recording because it does take some time to generate this video. All right, so let's see the result. So that's our video. I didn't start clicking until something like 10 seconds maybe. All right, here it goes. All right, as you can see, we have our video. It's very good quality, no problem with that, but I will talk more about it at the end of this course because sometimes there can be losses of quality if you have too many things on your slides. But generally speaking, it works very well. And obviously for now, we just did a very simple video, and also it doesn't have audio, right? It doesn't have any sound. And so this is something that we will talk also at the end of this course, is how do you do it with sound? So do you do it on PowerPoint or not? Or do you record the audio first and then you assemble the audio and the video file together? That's the option that I prefer. This is what I do. But basically, I will explain to you all of this in the later sections of this course because it's slightly different. Then we go into video editing. What I wanted to start teaching to you was exactly how do you do the best kind of videos on PowerPoint itself. So that's what we're going to keep doing with the next project. However, if you feel like you already master all of this, you can skip the next project and go directly to the section where I talk about the details, the video editing and stuff like this. But honestly, I advise you to do the second project as well, because every time I do one, I show some new interesting things to it. All right, so see you in the next lecture.